P1135 Air Fuel Ratio Sensor Circuit Response Malfunction. This code is related to the air fuel ratio sensor on bank 1, sensor 1. This is the upstream sensor, the one before the catalytic converter, and it's similar to an oxygen sensor, but more precise. The computer uses this sensor to closely monitor and adjust the air-fuel mixture. When the computer says response malfunction, it means the sensor isn't reacting the way it should. Normally, this sensor should respond quickly to changes in the air-fuel mixture. If it's slow, stuck, or not responding at all, the computer sets the P1135 code. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, inspect the wiring and connector. This sensor is mounted near the exhaust manifold, so the wiring is exposed to a lot of heat. Look for melted insulation, damaged wires, or a connector that's loose or corroded. Second, check the heater circuit. Air-fuel ratio sensors rely on a heater to get up to operating temperature quickly. If the heater isn't working, the sensor can respond slowly or not at all. Make sure the fuse is good and verify the sensor is getting power and ground. Third, check for exhaust leaks near the sensor. A leak before the sensor can let fresh air into the exhaust, which can throw off readings and affect how the sensor responds. Fourth, look at fuel system operation. If the engine is running extremely rich or lean, it can affect how the sensor behaves. Checking fuel trims with a scan tool can help determine if the engine is being over or under-fueled. Fifth, consider the sensor itself. Over time, air-fuel ratio sensors can become contaminated or wear out, causing slow or inaccurate response. If the wiring and heater circuit check out, the sensor may need to be replaced. A good general order when diagnosing P1135 would be: inspect the wiring and connector, verify the heater circuit is working, check for exhaust leaks, review fuel system operation, and replace the air-fuel ratio sensor if needed. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a failed sensor heater or a worn-out air-fuel ratio sensor. That's pretty much it for this one.